So hello guys, welcome back to my brand new video. So in this video today I'm going to show how to fix Tumblr not working problem solved. So at first you have to go for Play Store. After going in Play Store, you have to search for Tumblr Tumblr. So after clicking this, so guys, make sure that your app should be updated. If you have not updated till now, make sure that your system should be updated. So updating this app, guys, you should go for setting. After going in setting, you should type for app you should go for app management. So here it is. After going in app management, click in app list. After clicking in app list, scroll down, or you can search in it. You can search for app management for the apps. Tumblr Tumblr. So after you reach here, click in this forward stop. After clicking this forward stop, click in storage uses. After coming in storage uses, click in clear cache and clear data. After clicking in both that, click in permission and storage. Make sure that your app should be low. After doing all this settings, again search for software update. So guys, till now if you have not updated, you have to go for update. This is the update. So guys, you have to update right now. So guys, even you have done this all things, if it is not working, then switch off your mobile once and turn on. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.